how you can add your Twist link on Instagram. So first thing first, let's open the Instagram app, and once you open it, you can see your profile at the bottom right corner. So just tap on that profile icon, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see there is two options in here. So first one is share profile and another one is edit profile. So just tap on the edit profile afterward, and once you tap on it, finally you will be able to see there is a link option in here. So if you tap on the link, add link, then you can see there is add link option. So just tap on that plus icon, and you simply need to paste your Twitch link in here successfully, and you can also give your title. And once everything done, simply tap on the done option at the top right corner, and yeah, you will be able to put your Twitch link on Instagram app successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to add Twist link on Instagram. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.